Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use Ashby step by step. We'll explore its all-in-one recruiting features, from managing candidates and tracking interviews to optimizing your hiring workflow, so you can use the platform with confidence. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized applicant tracking system. Ashby's core functionality is its unified applicant tracking system. It gives you a single place to manage your entire hiring pipeline, from new applicants to final offers. You can view candidate progress, upload resumes, tag team members, and customize hiring stages based on your workflow. The ATS is designed for clarity and efficiency. You can easily drag and drop candidates across stages, filter by custom tags or notes or roles, and track where everyone stands in the pipeline. Each candidate profile includes a complete history of interactions, interviews, and feedback. With all information centralized and easy to access, your team can collaborate more effectively, avoid duplicate work, and ensure every candidate receives timely attention. Another key feature is the automated interview scheduling. Ashby saves hours of back and forth by automating the interview scheduling process. It integrates directly with Google and Outlook calendars, letting candidates choose from available times. For panel interviews, it automatically finds overlapping time slots among team members. You can also set up scheduling links that dynamically adjust based on team availability, reducing delays and miscommunication. Scheduling becomes frictionless, improving candidate experience and giving your team more time to focus on hiring decisions instead of logistics. Another key feature is the advanced hiring analytics and reports. With Ashby's built-in reporting tools, you can measure everything from time to hire and offer acceptance rates to sourcing effectiveness and diversity metrics. Dashboards are customizable and exportable, allowing you to share progress with leadership or stakeholders. You can break down performance by recruiter, department, or role and use filters to gain deep insight into how your hiring funnel performs over time. Real-time data helps your team stay accountable, spot bottlenecks, and continuously refine your hiring strategy based on what actually works. Another key feature is the collaborative feedback and decision-making tools. Ashby supports structured, unbiased hiring decisions through scorecards and private feedback forms. Interviewers submit ratings and notes without seeing others' responses first, reducing groupthink and bias. Hiring managers can then review all inputs in one place, compare responses, and move candidates forward with clear rationale. Discussions and notes stay attached to the candidate profile for full transparency. You get faster, more consistent decision-making while maintaining a fair and structured process for every applicant. So, why is Ashby a great choice? Ashby combines power and simplicity into a single tool that meets the needs of modern recruiting teams. Its interface is intuitive, the automation is thoughtful, and the analytics provide a clear picture of your team's performance. It's especially valuable for teams that want to scale their hiring process without adding operational headaches. Another major strength is Ashby's focus on collaboration. Everyone involved in hiring, from recruiters to interviewers to executives, can work together within one platform. This eliminates miscommunication, keeps hiring consistent, and ensures your candidates move through this process smoothly. Ashby also makes it easier to stay aligned with your DEI goals and employer brand. From diversity insights to branded job pages, everything is built to help you present your company well and make informed, fair hiring decisions. As of 2026, Ashby continues to evolve quickly with regular feature updates, ensuring your team stays competitive and efficient in a fast-changing hiring landscape. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Ashby and master its all-in-one recruiting features with confidence. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical software, HR, and business tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.